Hello students, without any unnecessary talk, let's move to our first question. Question number 1. The capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor is 50 microfarad. If the linear dimension of the plates are double and the separation between the plates is increased to 4 times, what would be the new value of the capacitor? Okay, so there is a parallel plate capacitor, and this parallel plate capacitor has a capacitance value 50 microfarad के देछि आर capacitance value दे देछि 50 microfarad देछि. Okay, and कौन कहछि क्वेश्चन रे देखो, and से क्वेश्चन देछि तार डायमेंशन लिनियर डायमेंशन डबल करा जायछि. सो कैपेसिटर पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर रो लिनियर डायमेंशन कोन अछि ए जे प्लेट रो लिनियर डायमेंशन. सो डायमेंशन कोन अछि गोटे लेंथ अछि, लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ, लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ, and also the separation between the plate is increased to 4 times. So as a separation achi, this separation is the distance d, एटा सेपरेट कराई अछि 4 टाइम्स इंक्रीज कराई अछि, एंड जो लिनियर डायमेंशन ता डबल कराई अछि से कहउछ. सो न्यू कैपेसिटेंस वैल्यू केते हबो. ओके, सो एज वी नो दैट कैपेसिटर फार्मूला कोन अछि फॉर पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर C इक्वल टू एप्सिलॉन A upon D, where this A is the cross sectional, or you can see the area of the plate area. So plate area A equal to kete habo length into breadth, because it is a rectangular plate. Okay, so length into breadth, and D is the distance. Now the change in length, L equal to L dash is the change in length equal to 2 times L, because कौन है ना आर लेंथ और ब्रेथ को लिनियर डायमेंशन को डबल है से क्वेश्चन देछि. सो L dash equal to 2L and B dash change in breadth equal to 2 times of B. So there will be a change in area, so that is A dash equal to what? L dash into B dash, which is equal to L dash kete 2L into B dash kete 2B. So this is equal to 2 into 2, 4 into L into B, 4 into L into B. So this is equal to 4 into area, because L into B, L into B is area, original area जोड़ा थिला already. So A dash equal to 4 times of A, 4 times A, and the separation D is also increased to 4 times. So D dash equal to 4 times D, 4 into D. So now the C dash equal to epsilon A dash by D dash. So this is the epsilon. Epsilon is the depends upon the which type of material used in this plate. A plate is separation रे, these two separation between the plate जो अच्छी, it is हमारा कौन material dielectric material कौन हमें use करते. In general, the dielectric material we are using are of paper or air. Okay, these are dielectric medium used. So this epsilon depends upon this dielectric material. So epsilon does not change. Epsilon change नहीं किसी. Same किसी कोई नहीं epsilon change करे विषय. So C dash equal to epsilon A dash by D dash. So this is equal to epsilon A dash the value कितने 4 times A. So 4 times A divided by D dash कितने 4D, 4 into D. So solving this will get 4 को 4 cancel आइला, epsilon A by D. So कितने ला epsilon A by D. So what is this epsilon A by D? So C dash equal to asla, which is the exactly original jaha asla same equation aschi same achi. So same jaha thila seda hi capacitance value rahibo, that is 50 microfarad. So the correct answer is option number C, 50 microfarad. Okay. Next question, how much current will flow through the 1 ohm resistor in the circuit? So circuit ଦେଇଛି 1 ohm रे, this is 1 ohm, so ଏଠି କେତେ current flow ହବ ସେ question ରେ ପଚାରିଛି. So what is the value of this current? So easily you can solve this by the help of a KVL, Kirchhoff's voltage law. KVL, Kirchhoff's voltage law, which is the second law of Kirchhoff's. This is the second law of Kirchhoff's, which is based on conservation of energy. So easily we can put KVL to solve this question. Okay. So this is positive. So plus 5 minus this drop. Here the voltage drop will be according to Ohm's law, I into R. So I into R value kete achi 1 achi. So I into 1, which is equal to I. So the drop is always will take as negative. Okay. Next minus 5. This is minus 5 because this terminal is negative. So minus 5 plus 5 because this is plus 5. So we are moving like this clockwise. Move hoche. So plus 5, which is equal to 0. So this is your KVL, Kirchhoff's voltage law. Kirchhoff's voltage law कौन कोची? Now the algebraic sum of all the voltages means कौन? Voltage source भी थिबो और voltage drop भी थिबो. एड़ा होची voltage source and एड़ा होची drop. एड़ा होची हमारा drop equal to 0 in a closed loop. Solving this, you will get easily the value of I equal to plus 5 minus 5 cancel. So 5 equal to I. So I equal to 5. So 5 ampere is the correct answer. So next question देखो कौन देची. How are 50 ohm resistors connected so as to give by effective resistance of 75 ohm? So 50 ohm रो resistor उड़ाग बहुत सारा अच्छी. So हमको 75 ohm रो resistor दरकार. So हमें ताको कोवला combine करीबा. So combination रे एडी तमको चारटा option देची already. So we'll see each option what is the combination value. हमें देखिबा केते combination value आस्ट each case रे केते आस्ट देखिबा. So for first case रे कौन देची? First case रे देची 50 ohm रो कौन अछि? So it actually there नहीं, it 3 है, there it 3 है, 3. So type mistake है जी 3 resistor, it 3 है ला. 3 resistors of 50 ohm each in parallel. So 50 ohm रो 3 resistor parallel अछि. So parallel रे हमें ଗୋଟେ concept already पढ़े जे कौन? If the equal value अछि and are connected in parallel, then the equivalent value will be the value of resistor value divided by n number of resistor. If there is n number of resistor are connected in parallel and each value having equal of R value, then the equivalent resistance R equivalent will be R by n. So here 3 resistor जदि अछि से केस रे केते हबो 50 by 3 हबो. So 50 by 3 is not 75, एटा 75 नाही. So answer 75 हो छी होनी. So option A is not the correct answer. So moving to next 3 resistor of series. 50 हम 3 resistor जदि series हबो कोन हबो 50 plus 50 plus 50 equal केते 150, which is not a correct answer also. So this is not correct. Next 2 resistors of 50 ohm parallel. These are parallel जदि अछि 50 रे केते हबो 50 by 2 है, that is 25. So this is not also the correct answer. Moving to next question. two resistors of 50 ohm each in parallel and the combination is series with the another 50 ohm resistor. So ଏଇଗୁଡା connection ଦେଇଛି ଦିଟା resistor parallel ଅଛି and a combination ଟା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ resistor ସହିତ series ରେ ଅଛି. So this is the combination. So equivalent resistance ଏ case ରେ କେତେ ଆସିବ? Each ର value 50 ohm, each ର value କେତେ 50 ohm. So ଏ ଦିଟାର parallel value କେତେ ଆସିବ? 25 ଆସିବ. Just ଏବେ ମୁଁ କହୁଥିଲି already. So and along with this is connected in series of 25 plus 50 is 75. So option number D is the correct answer. Moving to our next question. Next question देखो कौन देची transformer cores एटा rare नहीं transformer cores are laminated to reduce. So transformer cores are laminated to reduce the ED current loss. This is a very important question. Always repeat होची तमरा exam रे. So then there is another loss called hysteresis loss. How to reduce this hysteresis loss? Hysteresis loss को reduce करा पाए better magnetic material use करा. Okay. Moving to our next question. Question number 5. When a 3 ampere DC is passed through a coil of 30 millihenry inductance, the energy stored in the coil. Okay, so there is an inductor achi, inductor value L, and the current flowing here is that is 3 ampere. 3 ampere. So you know that the inductor coil achi kam gochi energy store kochi, and that energy storage can be given by E equal to kon formula, easy formula da half Li square, half Li square. ଆଉ ଯଦି capacitor ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତା in that case ରେ half CB square, half CB square. Okay, so ଏଟା ତ ଆମର inductor ଦେଇଛି. So we'll solve for inductor. E equal to half Li square. So this is equal to half into L. Inductance value କେତେ 32 million ରେ ଦେଇଛି ଦେଖିପାରିବ question ରେ ଅଛି. So 32 milli ମାନେ କେତେ 10 to the power minus 3, 10 to the power minus 3 into I रो square current क्या देजी 3 ampere. So 3 रो square. So solving this equal to इधर cancel करा 2 रो cancel आले क्या 16. So this is equal to क्या 16 इधर 3 रो square क्या 9. So this is 9. Okay, so 16 into 9 by तळु आमे नै जिबा शिफ्ट कर दा तळु जदी 10 to the power minus 3 को तळु मु जदी तळु शिफ्ट कर दी कोन हे तो 10 to the plus 3 जियो 10 to the plus 3 माने केते 1000. Solving this आको solve कले केते आसीबो 16 into 9 144. So 144 by 1000 which is equal to आको decimal रे convert करो 0.144 and energy रे unit होचे joule. So correct answer is option C. So moving to next question number 6. The pointer in a current measuring instrument returns to 0 position when it is disconnected. This is due to. So the pointer जो अच्छी pointer मनारा किसी उड़े value detect करची. If we are connected in a supply रे तो connection करा हबो obviously pointer किसी deflect हबो pointer कौन हबो किसी deflect हबो. आमे जदि आपको disconnect कर दबा this pointer should move to back to your 0 position. 0% को pointer टा नियंत्रण आसीबा दरकार ना नहीं. So this can be achieved by a opposite force to the deflecting torque. TD deflecting torque जो अछि तारा opposite रे आउडे force अछि turning force, that is TC the controlling torque. So due to this controlling torque, whenever we disconnect this ammeter or voltmeter, whatever it may be, so this pointer will move to again what 0 position. So this can be achieved by this TC, the controlling torque. So option C is the correct answer. Okay. So next question number 7. When the switch S in the circuit shown is closed, then the value of current I will be. ओके जेतले स्विच ता हमें क्लोज करबा ए जे करंट अछि हमर एडी करंट केते फ्लो होची ए आई रे वैल्यू से कैलकुलेट करिया को से देछि पचाच क्वेश्चन ओके before that so simple thing देखो so if there is a resistance of value R and it has 2.2 voltage V1 and V2 and there is a current flowing I, then this current I can be given by I equal to the voltage by resistance. कहीं ना V equal to कौन है I R अच्छी ohms law हिसाब रे so I equal to कौन है V by R है V by कौन है R है so voltage what is the voltage here if the current is flowing from this point if this current is flowing this direction then V1 must be positive with respect to V2 so that means V2 is negative V1 is positive so the current will be voltage by resistance so plus V1 minus V2 by resistance R by resistance R here it कौन है देखो in this case the I1 is coming to this direction so at this point C at this point C so I1 আসছে I2 भी আসছে and I the outgoing current so these two current are incoming current I1 and I2 are incoming current so incoming current should be equal to outgoing current that is the I according to your KCL Kirchhoff's current law हिसाब रे कौन algebraic sum of the currents meeting at a point is 0 or what incoming current must be equal to outgoing current so here the incoming current is I1 I2 and the outgoing current is I so total current I equal to I1 plus I2 so solve this question you will get the answer so I1 the value kete habo let us take this reference voltage as VC or any value Vx any value take any value or V take V okay or Vc any value okay any constant or any variable okay not constant variable any variable or x anything so the voltage will be V1 एडी V कर देची 20 voltage देची एडा VC देची VC हमें reference voltage मिले so here the current I1 will be voltage that is 20 plus 20 minus VC by the resistance 2 plus I2 केते हबो I2 current flowing like this 10 minus VC by resistance 10 minus VC by resistance केते अछि 4 this is equal to the total current I so the total current I so this current can be represented by voltage by resistance so voltage is VC minus what 0 VC minus 0 so this is equal to VC minus 0 because this is a reference by resistance kete achi 2 so solve this question so solve this equation you will get the value of VC value of what VC value ଆସିବ solve କରାକୁ so this is the equation that is 20 minus VC by 2 plus 10 minus VC by 4 equal to VC minus 0 by what by resistance kete 2 okay so multiplying 4 in both sides में 4 को multiply कर दोची multiply 4 कहीं कले जेतो तळे 4 ओडे डिवाइड है obviously 4 जब मैं multiply करी both side same means multiply कर कि divide कर कि add कर equation same रहइबो so solution easy हो भाई मोडा एवडा कर so कोन हबो 2 रे कैंसिल कर देडा ठीक है 2 रे एडा कैंसिल हम केता अछि 2 राशि so 2 into 20 केते 40 minus 2 into VC that is minus 2 VC plus 4 to 4 cancel that is 10 minus VC equal to this 2 cancel like the 2, so 2 VC, 2 VC, 2 VC, 2 VC. Okay, solving this 40 plus 10, 50. So 50 equal to 2 VC. This is minus right को shift कल कोना plus VC and एडा कोना ची minus अच्छी तो plus है क्या plus 2 VC. So 2 VC plus VC कहते 5 VC, 5 VC equal to 50. So VC equal to 50 by 5 equal to 10 volt. So the voltage here, the voltage in this terminal, in this junction, the voltage is, voltage voltage 10 voltage. So here the voltage is 10 volt. So the current will be obviously V by R, 10 by R, R 2, so 10 by 2, 5 ampere. So the correct answer is 5 ampere. Next question. So in case of ideal current source, they have dash. Ideal current source have what? Zero internal resistance. Okay, so moving to so एगुड़ा जदि तमे एग्जाम देवा पय चाहो छ एगुड़ा क्वेश्चन को तमे प्रैक्टिस करिया जदि चाहो छ TechPointOjee.com वेबसाइट को हमर विजिट करी तमे सेडी टेस्ट दे परियो हमर किछि फ्री टेस्ट भी अछि आ किछि पेड टेस्ट भी अछि. If you are interested, you can purchase that test series. Next question number 9. In a circuit, voltage and current are given by V equal to 10 sin omega t plus 30 degree and I equal to 10 sin omega t minus 30 degree. The power consumed in the circuit is. So power consumption formula kona P equal to V into I into cos phi. So let us see what is this V, I and cos phi. This V is the voltage in RMS. V RMS value. This current is I RMS value. And this cos phi is the power factor. What is power factor? Power factor is the cosine angle between V and I. VI भितर जो एंगल अछि, this phi angle ला तार cos angle जदि नबा सेडा हमें power factor कहबा. Okay, so let us draw this voltage and current. Okay, voltage current को मैं draw करें. So by taking a reference angle as 0 degree, so voltage कहते plus 30 degree दे दीजिए, plus 30 degree. So this is plus 30 degree. Angle लगे 30 degree. This is your voltage. Okay, voltage जरा दे. Our current कौन दे minus 30 degree दे. Current अच्छी हमारा minus 30 degree. So current is minus 30. So this is 30 degree. जेतो minus अच्छी मु सच में down side draw कर ली. Plus अच्छी B डा plus अच्छी so up side ऊपर draw कराई. Positive अच्छी. Negative अच्छी so negative down side draw कराई. बुझा पड़ेला. So what is the angle between these 2 points? These 2 point रे these 2 point को these 2 quantity voltage current भितर angle कितना हो? 30 कितना हो? Total 60 degree. Total कितना हो? 60 degree. And in general, we are denoting this voltage and current as V equal to V max sin omega t plus or minus phi and I equal to I max sin omega t plus or minus phi degree. So these are standard equations of voltage and current for alternating current. Okay. So Vm, Im. So V max, I max value already question दे देची 10 out 10. V max और I max value से देची. So but आमु दरकार कोन RMS value. So RMS value रो formula कोन maximum by √2. So answer केता आसियो P equal to V max by √2. So 10 by √2 voltage टा into current टा maximum value का देछि 10 देछि. So 10 by √2 √2 रो मोड कोन बाय डिवाइड करले RMS value calculate करे पई into cos phi. Phi is the angle, this angle is 60 degree. So cos 60 degree. Solving this, you will get the answer. This is equal to, okay, so 10 into 10, 10 into 10 is 100. So 100 by √2 into √2, that is 2 into cos 60 is half, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So solving this, 2 cancel 50, again 2 cancel 25. So the correct answer is 25 watts. So here my intention is not only to solve this question, but also give you some important points so that you can solve similar type of questions. So moving to our next question. बुझा पड़ जाउची तमको जदी बुझा पड़नी तमे कमेंट बॉक्स रे भी कमेंट करि पारियो को क्वेश्चन तमे बुझ पालो. ओके. Also if you want to join our telegram, link in the description. Also तमे telegram रे सर्च करि पारियो OJEE discussion group और OJEE diploma. ठीक अछि. OJEE diploma जहाँ भी सर्च कले तमे हमर ही ग्रुप पाइयो. गूगल रे भी तमे सर्च करि पारियो, ग्रुप पाइयो, ग्रुप रे ऐड हेजो. ठीक अछि. ऐड तमे बहुत सारा जिंस जानि पारियो. So next question. An AC source of 200 voltage RMS supplies active power of 600 watt and reactive power of 800 var माने कोन volt ampere reactive. The RMS current drawn from the source is. Okay, so question कोन दला. क्वेश्चन दे दैछि गोटे वोल्टेज अछि, AC वोल्टेज ता दैछि 200 वोल्टेज अछि, 200 वोल्टेज अछि, RMS वैल्यू दैछि and question to पचाछि current पचाछि. Okay, so what is the value of current and power is given. The 600 watt दैछि. 600 watt ता कोन एक्टिव पावर ता P होछि एक्टिव पावर के 600 watt आउ भार कोन रिएक्टिव पावर Q इक्वल कोन 800 भार. So तम कोन पचाछि I पचाछि. So हमें एडी apparent power whose formula is V into I calculate करले easily हमें I बार करि परिबा. Okay, so here we need to understand power triangle. Power triangle is very important point. So power triangle is a right angle triangle. This angle is phi and this base is the active power P kilowatt, that is VI cos phi, and this height hochi tamar reactive power VI sin phi, and this hypotenuse is the apparent power S equal to VI. And हमें जो देखो unit लिखिबा, this is watt, this is var, volt ampere reactive, and this is VA, volt ampere. So easily you know that from class 6th or something, the Pythagoras rule, that is the hypotenuse equal to base square plus height square root over. So S equal to P square plus Q square root over, P square plus Q square root over. So which is equal to P P is 600. So 600 square plus Q 800 square or root over. So solve this, we will get is 1000 is the correct answer. Correct answer. Correct answer is S value. So what is S? S equal to V into I. So already V dechi, so you can easily calculate I. The value of I equal to S by V. S by V obviously multiply divide कर दो S by V. S कहते 1000 by voltage कहते 200. So solving this, direct cancel. So 10 by 2 5. So correct answer is 5 ampere. Moving to next question, question number 11. 10 100 watt light bulb burns on an average of 10 hours a day. Burn माने कौन मा लाइट जलुचे लाइट अच्छी लाइट ऑन अच्छी बर्न माने पोड़ी जाइछ ना लाइक ऑब्वियसली से तार जो येड अछि कोन फिलामेंट हीट तम लाइट दोछ ना so 10 hours a day for 1 week the weekly consumption of energy will be kete unit वाले से पचाछ ओके so 10 100 watt light bulb अछि 10 10 टा अछि 10 into केते गोटे केते 100 into केते घंटा रे 10 घंटा केते दिन 7 दिन गोटे सप्ताह केते दिन की 7 दिन 1 week पे देछ ना so multiply this divide by 1000 जदी करलो तमर आंसर आसीबो कोन आंसर आसीबो किलोवाट आवर यूनिट माने कोन यूनिट होची 1 unit is equal to कोन 1 किलोवाट आवर तो हम एडी कोन करे किलो करे पे हम कोन कले 1000 डिवाइड करले एंड कोन वाट आवर मल्टीप्लाई कर देले केते वाट रो 100 वाट रो सो 100 कोन वाट इनटू आवर केते घंटा 7 घंटा बट सॉरी 7 घंटा 10 घंटा 7 दिन कहला सो 7 दिन में 10 घंटा जळियो ना टोटल के 70 घंटा ऑब्वियसली चिन्ह करा दरकार ने डायरेक्टली 10 टा क्वांटिटी गोटे गोटे केते 100 वाट केते घंटा केते दिन मल्टीप्लाई कर दियो डिवाइड बाय 1000 कर दियो तमर आंसर आसीबो so solve this 0 0 cancel 2 0 2 0 cancel so 10 into 7 that is 70 so correct answer is option number B next question find effective capacitance between A and B रो effective capacitance value purchase so these two are parallel and connected in these two are series and connected in parallel so series रे थिले कोन हबो parallel type रो formula resistance रे जन parallel formula नै कि सेडा एडी series रे सेडा यूज करबा so for this combination the equivalent resistance will equivalent capacitance will be 1 by C equal to और डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई हम करि पारिया एडा को हम एडा कोन करिया C1 into C2 by C1 plus C2 so 3 micro into 6 micro by 3 micro plus 6 micro so this is equal to 3 into 6 that is 18 micro by 3 plus 6 9 micro 18 micro by 9 micro cancel out कल के 2 micro so the correct माने आर आंसर केते असला एडा 2 micro हिला so एडा हमरो 2 micro farad and similarly this is 2 and 2 dida so 2 into 2 by 2 plus 2 that is 4 by 2 sorry that is 2 into 2 4 by 2 plus 2 4 so 4 by 4 equal to 1 4 by 4 equal to 1 so this is 1 these two are connected in parallel thile मिसे दवा easily मिसे दल तम आंसर आसी so 2 micro plus 1 micro so 3 micro is the correct answer option B is the correct answer moving to our next question electrolytes used in lead acid battery हमारा कौन इलेक्ट्रोलाइट यूज होची सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड यूज होची एक्चुअली डाइल्यूट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड H2SO4 डाइल्यूट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड हमारा यूज होची लीड एसिड बैटरी रे मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फाइंड द टोटल पावर कंज्यूम्ड फॉर ए 100 watt okay 100 watt रो दिडा बल्ब अछि and it is connected to a 220 voltage so these two are connected in series the series रे जेतला कनेक्ट अछि you can calculate the total power P equal to P1 into P2 by P1 plus P2 so this is equal to this is 100 this is 100 into 100 by 100 plus 100 200 100 plus 100 okay 200 so 0000 cancel so 100 by 2 is 50 so correct answer is 50 watt also you can solve by P equal to voltage square by equivalent resistance R equivalent V square by R equivalent R calculate करियो जेत दिला सीरीज अछि so individually R resistor value बाहर करियो बाहर कर तमे दिला मिसेबो equivalent resistance आसियो then you can solve this or also you can solve this by using this direct approach solve करि पारियो next question देखो the frequency of the CMF EMF induced in the rotor circuit of a 3-phase 50 Hz 4-pole induction motor running at a 1425 RPM. So, the frequency of EMF induced the 3-phase induction motor frequency se pachachi, that is F dash equal to or FR. F dash by FR equal to sleep into frequency. What is the sleep? Sleep equal to Ns minus Nr by Ns into 100 sleep percentage राशियो okay the percentage रानी होनी 100 multiply करेंगे धोखा नहीं here this is direct not percentage okay and this F is the frequency. How to solve this question? Let us first calculate the value of S, then we can easily multiply by frequency. Frequency दे देची question दे 50 होते जी. So हमको कौन calculate करार अच्छी sleep. Sleep time formula कौन Ns minus Nr by Ns. So what is Ns? Nr होची rotor speed already देची 1425. So Nr value or N by Nr जोड़ा नले भी हवो that is given as 1425 RPM. So we have to calculate Ns. Ns value कितने 120 by P 120 F by P. F कौन P कौन F frequency P pole. So 120 into frequency कितने 50 pole कितने 4. Calculate this you will get 1000. You will get 1000. Sorry, you will get 1500 RPM. 1500. Okay. You will get 1500. Okay, so S equal to 1500, that is Ns minus Nr होच कितने Nr होची 1425 by Ns 1500. So solving this you will get 1500 minus 1425 कितने 75 75 by 1500 by 1500. Okay, so calculating this will get 1500 1500 कितना 1500 cancel कर दिया एड़ा कितना 100 ऊपर कितना है 15 5 25 so 5 by 100 वैल्यू कितने 0.05 और 5 by 100 रखा किसी असुविधा नहीं 5 by 100 था किसी असुविधा नहीं so F dash equal to कितना S into F so this is equal to S कितने sleep कितने 5 by 100 so 5 by 100 into frequency कितने 50 so 50 एड़ा cancel कर लेके 2 cancel कर 2.5 so correct answer is 2.5 hertz. Got it? So if you want to prepare for OJEE lateral entry for diploma students, you can also attend our test by visiting our website TechPointOjee.com, or also you can download the application TechPointOjee. You can easily find a free test. You can easily give the test. The free test is having 60 questions. Electrical maths and electrical electronics math and mechanics 60 questions अच्छी and the other test the 5 test 5 test अच्छी हमारा 5 test अच्छी total full test अच्छी 120 questions अच्छी and having 120 minutes. So attend this question guys, you will get a true exam experience. Next question. The armature of a DC motor has a resistance of 0.1 ohm and is connected to a 250 voltage supply. The generated EMF when the motor is taking 60 ampere. Okay, what is DC motor? DC motor अच्छी so DC motor से कौन पचाची EMF equation पचाची so actually DC motor देची but it generated EMF हवा कथा नहीं इड़ा कौन हवा कथा back EMF back EMF so the back EMF formula given by EB equal to V minus IA into RA for motor and for generator this is for motor generator ପାଇଁ କୋଡା ହବ EG equal to V plus IA RA ହବ plus IA RA ହବ for motor ପାଇଁ generator ପାଇଁ for generator ପାଇଁ question ଟା ଆମର motor ଦେଇଛି so we will solve this question so solve this equation so equal to केता आसीबो equal to V voltage केता अछि 250 so 250 minus armature current केते अछि 60 into resistance कर देची 0.1 so this is equal to 250 minus 6 is equal to 1 equal to 244 so option A is the correct answer. Moving to our next question number 17 it is desired to measure the current flowing through a resistive load in a DC network. The measuring instrument required for this. So there is a load. Okay, so there is a load. And we are interested to find out the current flowing in this circuit, in this load or circuit. So we have to connect an ammeter in series with this load so that we can easily measure current flowing through this load. कौन current केते current flow सेटा calculate हम करि पारी ammeter रे but ammeter टा हमर series रे connect हबो. Similarly, if we are interested to find the voltage of this load then we will connect a voltmeter parallel across this load. Voltmeter डी parallel रे connect करिया. So ammeter series रे always connect हबो voltmeter always parallelly connect हबो. सेडी में current measure करिया कहला so ammeter हम connect करिया so ammeter to be connected in series with the load so parallel रे connect हबो नाही parallel रे connect कले कोन हबो armature सर armature कुछ ammeter बाहर नहीं जीवो उड़ी जीवो ammeter. Next question, the direction of a mechanical force experienced on a current carrying conductor by placed in a magnetic field is determined by what? From the direction of a mechanical force. So motor केस कला mechanical force माने motor. So motor हमें motor हमें Fleming's left hand rule हमें use करिया and generator हमें Fleming's right hand rule use करिया. So Fleming's right hand rule for DC generator Fleming's left hand rule is for DC motor. Next question, find current. Okay, current pachach, current कितना? So for a RLC circuit, the current equal to circuit voltage by circuit impedance, which is equal to V by impedance value कितना वो Z equal to actually resistance square plus XL minus XC square or root over. Voltage कहते 125 so 125 divided by resistance कहते 15 so 15 the square plus XL minus XC XL कहते 50 minus 30 कहते 20 so 20 the square and its root over. So solve this question you will get the answer. Okay, easy to solve this question. Next question, the function of a commutator in a DC machine. So DC machine रे commutator function होची it will convert DC voltage into AC voltage. Wrong, DC voltage to AC, AC to DC. So it will change AC voltage to DC. So correct answer is option C. So those are having 20 number of questions for basic electrical. So basic electrical or electronics total misi tamara 40 question exam rasibo. So I have selected 20 questions for electrical and 20 questions for electronics. So these are most important questions. So my intention here is not only to solve this question, but also to give you some important points so that it will help you in the preparation. So ଯଦି ତମକୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି ତମେ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କୁ share କରିପାରିବ. Also don't forget to like and comment below. Or if you have any doubt, you can also join our Telegram group, link in the description. Or also you can search in Google or Telegram. OJEE lateral entry will get the link. In amplitude modulation, the dash of carrier is varied according to the strength of the signal. So in amplitude modulation, so there is 3 types of modulation: AM amplitude modulation, FM frequency modulation, and PM phase modulation. So amplitude modulation re ame vary kon kariya, obviously amplitude vary kariya. So correct answer is option A. Next question: the minimum forward voltage that can apply to the PN junction at which the forward current through the junction starts to increase rapidly. This minimum forward voltage is called your knee voltage. Knee voltage. In a semiconductor, the energy gap between the valence band and conduction band is about. So in a semiconductor, tamara jo energy gap achi, that is very less. So option number 4, option or ABCD option D, last option. This is the correct option. Next question: genodiode is used in power supply so that it will regulate the voltage. So genodiode is used as a voltage regulator. So it will regulate the output voltage. Next question: which one among these is an example of a trivalent impurity? So gallium is a trivalent impurity. Phosphorus, antimony, arsenic, these are pentavalent impurity. And one important points, bonus point, what is this adding impurity? Why we are adding impurity? So we are adding impurity so that we can increase the number of electrons and holes, number of free electrons and holes. So the process of adding impurity is called doping. This is also important. Next, a dash circuit has a very high input resistance and very low output resistance. So common collector having very high input resistance and very low output resistance. Next question: the temperature coefficient of a resistance for semiconductor. For semiconductor, the temperature coefficient is negative, and for metal and conductor, it is positive. Next question: for BJT, IB, that is a base current, equal to 10 microampere and alpha equal to 0.99, the value of IC. So value of IC equal to beta times IB. IB ର value ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛି, ତମକୁ କ'ଣ calculate କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ? beta ର value calculate କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. beta ର value କେତେ ହେବ? beta equal to କ'ଣ? beta equal ତମେ ବାହାର କରିପାରିବ ଆରାମ ସେ. beta equal ତମର କ'ଣ ଆସିବ ନା alpha by 1 minus alpha. So which is equal to alpha केते 0.99. So 0.99 divided by 1 minus 0.99. So this is equal to, this is 0.99 divided by 1 minus 0.99. Keta asida 1 minus 0.99. So 1 minus 0.99 keta asida 0.01. 0.01. So solve this question, you will get the answer. So 0.99 कले केता 99 by 100 लिख परिया, divide by 0.01. So that is 1 by 100. 100 cancel. So 99. So beta equal to 99. Beta equal to 99. So beta equal 99. So 99 into IB. IB ର value କେତେ ଦେଇଛି 10 micro. So 10 micro. 10 micro. 10 micro ମାନେ କେତେ 10 to the power minus 6. 10 into 10 to the power minus 6. So solve this. So the correct answer will be 0.99 milliampere. Next question. A full wave bridge rectifier is supplied voltage at 50 Hz. The output signal frequency will be, for full wave, the output frequency will be double of the input frequency, Fn. 2 times Fn. 2 into 50, 100. Next question. This is the symbol for a genodiode. This is a genodiode symbol. Okay. And this is a simple diode. And this symbol is for LED, light emitting diode. And this symbol is the transistor symbol, NPN or PNP. So if this arrow is outside, then it will be PNP. It will be NPN. If this arrow is inside, then it is PNP. ଭିତରକୁ ହେଉଛି PNP, ବାହାରକୁ ହେଉଛି NPN. Next question. A transistor may be used as a switching device or as a variable resistor. Option C. Next question, question number 32. Germanium and silicon diodes start conducting at 0.3 voltage and 0.7 respectively. In the following figure, if germanium diode connection are reverse, germanium diode reverse है germanium diode कौन करला reverse कराला. The value of V0, the output voltage, changes by assume that the germanium diode has a large breakdown voltage. Okay. So कौन दला question रे कौन calculate करा कोई देखो. The value of V0, output voltage changes. Output voltage कितने change होते हैं 50. So initially it is connected like this. Then कौन है ची ये जो germanium diode আছে ताको reverse करायला देच. If germanium diode connection are reverse, so germanium diode में reverse कर देले कौन आवल 50. So this is the first case. This is case 1. जो diagram already देची, that is case 1. So for case 1, output केता समय देखी देवा. Output केता समय देखी देवा. So एड़ा positive. So this is positive जदी अच्छी. Positive जदी अच्छी कौन होगा? So germanium रा केते 0.3 and silicon रे केते 0.7 voltage dropped. So obviously the current will flow the germanium across the germanium flow. So output voltage केता आसियो, output voltage केता आसियो, total voltage केते 12 volt minus this voltage, that is 12 minus 0.3 voltage equal to 11.7 voltage is the output voltage, V out. Okay, now case 2. What is case 2? Case 2 होची connection हमें reverse कर देना. Okay, so this connection germanium is connected reverse this type. बोला reverse रे हमारा connect है. Reverse रे connect है. एवढा reverse रे connect है. Then कौन अब? Then this diode will reverse bias and this will forward bias. Hence the current will flow like this. एवढा current flow हो. Silicon दे current flow हो. So silicon rate drop कहते 0.7. So output voltage will be, for case 2, the output voltage equal to input voltage minus the drop 0.7. So this is equal to कितना बड़ा 12 minus 0.7, that is 11.3. 11.3. So this is 11.7, this is 11.3. Question रे कौन कहछि चेंज केते हला पचाछ चेंज केते हला केते चेंज हला 11.7 रु 11.3 को आसीला माने 0.4 चेंज हैला माने 0.4 कमी हैला कमु की बढ़ू चेंज हला ना सो 0.4 ता चेंज हला नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो the circuit shown below contains two ideal diodes. Ideal diodes means there is no voltage drop. Each with a forward resistance of 50 ohm. Forward resistance is 50 ohm. If the battery voltage is 6 volt, if the battery voltage is 6 volt, current through the 100 ohm resistance in ampere is. So 100 ohm resistor अच्छी जो है current flow अच्छी current टा कितना अच्छी 50 a current is 50. Easily you can calculate it. So current will be the circuit voltage by total resistance. Total resistance. So what is the resistance here? What is the resistance here? So if this is connected like this, if the battery is connected like this, then D2 is reverse bias, T1 is forward bias. Hence, the direction of current will like this. From this point to diode D1 and this resistor to this. And the diode having also, this is very, very important, that the diode having a forward resistance 50 ohm. So this diode having a resistor 50 ohm. 50 ohm. So what is the total resistance? 50 ohm plus 150 and plus 100 कितना total? It 50 plus 150, 200 plus 100, 300. So this is equal to 6 by 300. 6 by 300 equal to कितना हो? इड़ा 6 by 300 है, ठीक है? So हमें इड़ा cancel out कर देगा 3 रेड़ा कितना 2. So 2 by 100, 2 by 100, 2 by 100 का मान लिख पर 0.02 ampere. So 0.02, so 0.02 is the correct answer. इड़ा और 0 अच्छी तम कहो 0.020 ए वैल्यू पर कितना 0 यूज कले भी किछि वैल्यू लेस बुझा पड़छ ना नहीं. So 0.02 को 0.020 लिखो 0.0200 लिखो कौन लिखले भी गोटे. Next question. To operate as an amplifier, amplifier, base emitter junction. The base emitter junction is always forward bias and collector junction should always reverse bias. Next question. If alpha equal to this, then find beta. Previously ଗୋଟେ problem ରେ ଆମେ already beta calculate कले जोड़ी के alpha ଦେଇଥିଲା. Answer केते आसला मन अछि ना नहीं? That is 99 आसला. Also solve करि पारियो केते beta equal कोन beta equal to alpha by 1 minus alpha. So put the value of alpha, will get the answer. Easily तमे calculate करि पारे. Next question देखो. What is the most frequently used transistor configuration? So most usually widely used transistor connection hoche common emitter connection. Next question. The disadvantages of a voltage divider bias. It has very large number of resistance, many resistors. Next question. Current flowing in the diode made of silicon. If it is made of silicon, there is a voltage drop of 0.7 volt, 0.7 volt. So easily calculate the value of current. Current calculate kari pare aram se. Use KVL. So 10 plus 10 minus 100 into I, 100 into I minus 0.7 minus what? 0.7, because this is positive and this is negative point. So let me draw a circuit. Positive 100 resistor and this is a drop. Okay, 0.7 voltage. This is 10 volts. This is 100 ohm. This is 0.7 volts. So equal to 0 KVL. Solve this, will get the answer. So 100i equal to 10 minus 0.7. 10 minus 0.7 kete 10 minus kete 0.7. That is what? 9.3. 9.3. That is 9.3. Okay. So I equal to 9.3 by 100. So this equal to एटा सॉल्व करले केता आसियो एटा हम सॉल्व करले आसियो 0. 0 कोन 0.093 0.093 ampere, or you can say 93 milliampere. Okay, so this option are something different option. Eta full option na kon de dechi, ठीक अछि. So it current dechi, current pachach na, current pachatla. So the current will be 93 milliampere or 0.093 ampere. The options are wrongly alga kichi question option na bodhe, ठीक अछि. So the correct option is 93 milliampere. Next question, number of p-n junction in a transistor. Transistor having two number of p-n junction. How it is two p-n junction? Transistor कौन की? Transistor होच कौन? P, N, P or NPN. So this is a junction. This is a p-n junction J1 and this is a p-n junction J2. So this junction, two junction. So two junction. Two p-n junction. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. Depletion layer is caused by the combination of the holes and electrons. Multimeter cannot measure power. Multimeter हमें power measure कर पाएगा नहीं. Multimeter हमें AC voltage, DC voltage, AC current, DC current, resistance, continuity, many things we can measure, but we cannot measure power. So power हमें कहाँ measure कर पारिया? So तमें तार आंसर कमेंट बॉक्स रे दे पारियो. Okay, so how our interface looks like? हम जो एग्जाम अच्छी टेस्ट जो कंडक्ट हमें टेस्ट सीरीज हमें प्रोवाइड करछु तारा इंटरफेस टा एवडा तमोडे ट्रू रियल एग्जाम रो एक्सपीरियंस दबो. टाइम देखेबो, ठीक अछि, तम टाइम देखेबो, क्वेश्चन देखेबो, तब रेडी ऑप्शन थिबो. रियल एग्जाम रे जेनि दबो तमे ऑनलाइन रे एग्जाम हबो जानथिबो ऑलरेडी. ऑनलाइन रे कंडक्ट हबो एग्जाम ओजेई रो. सो ऑनलाइन रे एग्जाम दो तो ए टेस्ट सीरीज जा जदी प्रैक्टिस करियो तमे टाइम मैनेजमेंट करि पारियो. आल्सो हमें डिटेल सॉल्यूशन हमें प्रोवाइड करछु. सो TechPointOjee.com वेबसाइट को विजिट करी तमे एग्जाम दे पारियो. आल्सो हमर एप्लीकेशन भी अछि, एप्लीकेशन रे भी तमे एग्जाम दे पारियो. TechPointOjee सर्च करिवो आसीबो. TechPointOjee सर्च करियो. एडी स्पेस दबनी है तो एडी TechPoint पर स्पेस दबन सब जा मिसिरी तमे टाइप करियो. स्पेस किछ देला आसीयनी. स्पेस किछ दबनी. प्ले स्टोर गूगल प्ले स्टोर जाई तमे डाउनलोड करि पारियो एप्लीकेशन को. नले TechPointOjee.com वेबसाइट को विजिट करी तमे टेस्ट सीरीज ता दे पारियो. आल्सो पिलाना सब्सक्राइब कर दियो. केबे सब्सक्राइब करनो, ठीक अछि, तमे सब्सक्राइब कर दियो. आओ वीडियो को लाइक करी शेयर कर दियो पिलां को. आल्सो मो अदर सब्जेक्ट रो मैथ रो मैकेनिक्स रो भी एवला तमको क्वेश्चंस आनेबी एंड सॉल्यूशन वीडियो प्रोवाइड करेबी. थैंक यू.